Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI.
So I didn't know that I was a puzzle person. I just got tired of flipping through my phone and I decided that I needed a new hobby. Turns out that I love doing puzzles, and this puzzle brought me so much joy. It's quirky, the right type of weird, and a lot of fun. Everything came well packaged, and I love that it had an extra picture as a guide. My favorite thing about this puzzle has to be the grid on the back. If you're new to jigsaw puzzles like I am, then you're going to love this feature. It makes it easy for you to sort pieces into the same area, and then it's like you have several different mini puzzles instead of one big puzzle that can be intimidating. These pieces are also unique because they have different patterns in them, such as a cat, a dolphin, and a butterfly. All of the pieces are sturdy and well made. They withstood very well a couple of weeks in my crazy house with kids and pets. This puzzle is a lot of fun to put together, and it was challenging enough to enjoy, but I didn't get frustrated with it. I looked forward every evening to putting this together when I got home, and I was actually kind of sad when it was done. I've been hinting around for my husband to buy me another one. When it was finished, I loved all of the bright colors and all of the details that went into the design. It stuck together very well without any adhesive, so I know that if I wanted to hang this on the wall, it would do well with that. So if you're looking for a fun project to relax and unwind after a long day, I highly recommend this puzzle from Naturelish.
And that's my point of view.